All right, let's step inside of One Oak Grove and cannot wait. I actually recorded the area a little bit earlier to give you the vibe, and now we're about to step in and it's about 1 o'clock. So let's walk in and see what the One Oak Grove is about. Can't wait to see it. So we're here in the lobby. Oh, very cool, futuristic, cool, urban, modern lobby. I love you see those ceiling circular lights? Those are so cool. And I love this inset velvety wall couch area. That's just really, really cool. This is a fun lobby. There's a TV over there that could be going. And then you can see this is very pet friendly because yes, we have lots of treats waiting for pets. And okay, so let's take a look at what else is here. So right outside is the garage. The garage is super easy to access, by the way, to go in and out. I found it just a breeze to get into. So plenty of parking, and it's just for One Oak Grove residents. Over here, you can see the mail center. So there's two kind of aisles of mail centers here. Very easy to access, super, super easy to access. Here's the business center. So let's walk into that business center and just kind of look at it. So I've walked into the business center and looks like we've got two Apple computers and then two window style computers also, and then a printer. And this is I can't hear a thing. This is a very, very airtight kind of room. And then you do have a table over there. So, okay, very, very nice. So great area over here. And by the way, this is still all on the first floor. You just saw me walk in. And now we're gonna go to the fitness center. So let's go to a new video for that. Be right back.